Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Peacock and loading the title you want. This gives you access to the player controls. Once the video is playing, pause so the on-screen UI stays visible. Look for the CC, captions, or speech bubble icon because this is where subtitle toggles live. You do this now because different devices hide settings. Starting here avoids hunting later. If no icon appears, make sure the app is updated and you're within the video playback screen rather than a menu. You tap the CC or Subtitles control to open the options list. This reveals languages and the on/off toggle. Once the menu appears, select off or deselect the active subtitle language so captions stop rendering. Make sure to confirm or tap outside the menu to apply the change. Otherwise, the player may keep the old setting. After turning captions off, resume playback to verify they vanished. This is how you stop the overlay and why confirming the choice prevents the player from reverting. You finish by checking system-level captions if the app toggle didn't work. Some TVs and phones force subtitles via accessibility settings. If captions persist, close the app, clear cache or data, and restart. Make sure you're on the latest app version and reinstall as a last step. Once done, test another title to confirm resolution. If problems continue, contact Peacock support and provide device model, app version, and the video title so they can reproduce and fix the bug. This speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.